can have this smoothie in your breakfast, pre-post workout. It is very good for weight loss. It is very good for you if you are facing hair fall problem. It is very good for your glowing skin. So you can have this. Even children can also have this. So guys, weight loss is not a destination, it's a journey and it's a habit. We have to build some good habit, then only we can stick to a good weight. So weight loss means not that you have to skip all the good food out of your diet and then only you will get, then maybe for some time you will lose some weight, but what will happen now? Your hair fall, you will face hair fall problem, then so many problem, bone problem, health problem, skin problem. So for maintaining a good health and also weight loss, we have to maintain a good diet. And this oats smoothie contains everything like this flax seeds, chia seeds, whatever is there is very good for you. We are soaking 12 almond nuts in water overnight. Also I'm adding some chia seeds with it. Good morning. You can see that overnight I soaked this flax seeds, chia seeds and almonds for this smoothie, which will come like this way in the morning, little bit thicky. For making this smoothie I'm using 2 palm of oats. For 2 persons I'm making, so 2 palm of oats there. And I'm using some soft dates. Dates are very good for constipation, for digestion. So I'm not adding any sugar. If you want to make it more sweeter, you can add some honey, but I'm not adding any sugar. So here I'm using some fresh grapes. You can add any kind of fruits, whatever you like. And I'm adding two banana. 2 bananas are there. So first what we will do, roast these oats. Now 2 options are there. You can roast it or you can also soak it overnight, because for better digestion we have to do this step. If you can digest it like this way, you can take, but some people face digestion problem, so I'm roasting here. I'm roasting it just for 1 minute, not too much, because we should not roast it more. We will roast it just for 1 minute. You will get a nice aroma. Then we will stop it. It is over. Now let it be cool for few minutes, because now it's very hot. We can make this smoothie. You need only 1 mixer grinder jar, that's it. And it is very good for your breakfast. It will help you in weight loss. It will help you in hair problem. Then it is very good for you, as I have told already, that flax seeds are very good for new hair growth. So after just taking 3-4 times itself, you can see new hairs are coming. And this almonds is very good for weight loss. This all thing whatever I'm using here are very good for your overall health. And it can be used, you can have this smoothie pre-post workout. So it's good. Even children can also eat it. So I'm adding first this overnight soaked almonds and flax seeds, chia seeds. I'm adding this grapes with it. I'm adding this 2 banana, because of 2 person I'm making, so I'm adding 2 banana. I'm not adding any extra sugar or honey. So I'm adding this very soft dates with it. Dates is very good for our health, that's why. I'm not adding any milk there, because I have added some almonds overnight. Now when we will paste it, almond milk will come out. So it is actually a vegan recipe. So whoever having some problem with cow milk, they can have this smoothie without any problem. I will add this roasted oats with it. Guys, don't skip this roasting part, because otherwise you can face some digestion problem. I lost almost 12 kgs. What I feel for weight loss is not a destination, it's a journey. You have to maintain all these good habits, whatever you are following for the whole life. It's a habit. Weight loss is a habit. It's not like a aim or something you achieve means you stop and then you thought you will not gain weight. It's not like that. So we will make the paste of it. So you can see that our smoothie is ready. It's not very thick, not very thin. It's medium consistency. Whatever you like, you can add more water according to your choice. So I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.